Hello students, in this video we will cover lesson number 9, Google Apps. The very first is Introduction to Google. Google is an American public corporation specializing in internet related services and products. Google began as a search project in January 1996 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Today Google is mainly used as a search engine, and this probably remains one of the most visible aspects of Google on the web. But Google is much more than the search engine. It has developed a number of web applications that are collectively known as Google Apps. So let us learn about Google Apps. There are many applications related to Google, such as Google Search, Google Accounts, Gmail accounts, Google Docs, Google Drive, etc. All the applications and services of Google are called Google Apps. Gmail is the product of Google Apps, which is used to send and receive email. To gain access to the Google services, you must set up a Google account. Gmail becomes your point of entry to Google Apps. You can use any Google app by using Gmail user ID and password. Now let us learn about cloud computing. In traditional computing, when you want to start a new application software, you will need to install it in your computer before using it. But in cloud computing means storing and accessing data and programs over the internet, rather than in the hard drive of your computer. Google Apps are totally based on cloud computing. Once you are using Google Apps, you will enjoy the ability to access your files and software from anywhere you have access to the web and cloud computing. To use an application that is run on the cloud, all that is needed is to log in with your username and password, customize it and start using it. For this, you need a web browser and internet connection. So next topic is surfing and research. In order to surf, we use Google Chrome. Google Chrome is a full-featured web browser software designed by Google. A web browser is a software application that people use in order to view web pages on the internet. It loads very fast and runs multiple pages. Suppose you want to open Google, you need to write www.google.com. Next is Google Maps. You all are having in your smartphones Google Maps. Google Maps is a web mapping services developed by Google. It enables you to display up-to-date maps by searching for an address or place of interest. While going somewhere, Google Maps provide directions when a user enters a starting and destination point. It has GPS, Global Positioning System, which is used to determine the current location of the user. It also shows real-time GPS navigation, traffic, transit, and details about millions of places. Google Translate. The word itself makes you a clear sense to translate something. Google Translate is a free online language translation service which instantly translates text into other languages. This translator supports language like English, Arabic, Bulgarian, etc. The Google Translate app for mobile lets you instantly visually translate printed text. Just open the app, click on the camera and point it at the text you need to translate. Next is Google Search Engine. It is used to search anything over the internet. The internet is a worldwide resource of information. The primary reason why people use internet is to search for specific information, including text, pictures, music and videos. Google is well known for its search engine, which is a major factor for the company's success. It is the fast, relevant and the largest single catalog of web pages available today. In your smartphones, you are having Google Assistant. Basically, it assists you different help. If you want to find anything, you simply need to say okay Google, and then whatever you want to ask from the Google, it will be answering you. Whatever assistance you need from the Google, it will be providing you. So the Google Assistant is a virtual assistant developed by Google that is primarily available on mobile and smart home devices. By using Android phone, user can quickly access Google Assistant by pressing and holding down home button or by simply saying okay Google. With the Google Assistant, you can make quick phones, send text messages, set reminders, take a selfie and lot more. Okay, let us learn about Google Earth. It is used to find any location over the earth. So Google Earth is an interactive mapping program that covers the vast area of the earth. Google Earth is generally considered to be the remarkable, accurate and extremely detailed. For example, some major cities have such remarkably detailed images that one can zoom in close enough to read the number plates on the cars on a street. This application helps a lot in finding the criminals and much more. So next topics we will be covering in next video. So go through this chapter and read each and every point thoroughly. So bye everyone, stay safe, stay healthy.